Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is walk through the DPIN storage app. So we're going to be talking about DeNet. So this is a big DPIN storage and RWA play. So we've gone over this project quite a bit in the past. It is one opportunity where you can make massive rewards with very little investment. So you just download the app and then you can also become a data keeper. So we'll go over some of that. So if you want some of the resources, go to the link tree. The link tree will be pinned in the comment section down below, as well as in the description of every video on the channel. So scroll down. Go here to DeNet, DPIN storage app. So you're going to see the Watcher Node app. So here you can download via App Store or Google Play. If you want even more info, go here, type in DeNet on the channel. So here, DeNet Watcher app, full guide. So this would be a good guide for you to watch, but we're going to go over quite a bit of that in this video as well. So this project could be a major win. There are very few projects that you can get in early and get huge upside, especially without an investment. So that's what I want to do. And what we're going to do is pull up the app. So I'm going to share with you kind of what it looks like. So I am connecting this to my desktop. There we go. So if I hit refresh, right now I am sitting at 1.75 billion tokens. So I don't know what this will ultimately equate to in the end. Nobody knows. They've launched some news on the roadmap, which we'll go over here in a second. But basically, you run the app and you are a watcher node. That's kind of the guide. So this is the app. And again, if you guys go to the link tree, you can see that right here. So there's data keeper nodes, so you can become a data keeper where you deal more with the data and you're dealing with files. Whereas the DeNet DPIN storage app, it's much easier. So make your phone earn, monetize mobile device contributing to the DPIN storage, okay? So you can unlock rewards. I'll go into a little bit of what's going on with this right now. So basically, whenever you open up the app, it's always best to just scan it and you earn some rewards. If you're just getting started, you're not going to get as many rewards to get going. But if you consistently do it, you're going to see pretty good numbers. So I'm at stage 50. I don't think it goes any higher. So daily earnings, 3.5 million every day. Okay, so this is the Watcher node. So again, the Watcher node app, if we go here in the wallet, 1,755,000,000. This looks just like the Moose's bank account, so pretty familiar. So there you go. So here's the thing: how do you get rewards? Complete storage client tasks. It's basically what we're doing. We're scanning rewards. We're keeping everything updated. So we're participating in the project. So that's one way. Basically, if you invite friends, so use the code. You will get free tokens. So I always invite you guys. If we go here, you can see my referral. I'm very transparent with it. And I get quite a few rewards from you guys. And also, if you guys get other people, you can get even more rewards. At the end of the day, this is one of those opportunities where you can get in early on a project that will have a pretty significant airdrop. So there's projects like BDAG, which has been a joke, which is BlockDAG. Some that did well, though, I'm trying to think of the name. There was one that did well, Pi. Remember Pi? Pi was very similar. You just scan or you just participate every day and you could earn good rewards. Here, there's the DeNet tasks. So here you can do the social, learn to earn. So I've already done all this. And you get free recharges with batteries. There's the DeNet Academy. Okay. So some of this stuff is new. So there's the distributor course. We've already done videos on the Web3 basic course. I did that. I even have my little certificate. Boom. So you get rewarded for participating in this project. It's very simple. Very, very simple. So I recommend hitting the distributor course. Okay, so I've already done the first one. More lessons coming soon. So I did the first one. There's also the node sale, which is the data keeper aspect. So if you guys want, become a data keeper. Again, if you want to get the most out of this, go to the link tree. We'll close out of these. New projects, 100x crypto potential. Become a data keeper. So here you can get nodes, you can participate, and you can get pretty significant earnings here, okay? The main reason for this video, though, is I want to share with you an update of what's going on. So here's some files you can see, but really it's just participating. So you'll see in like 48 seconds, I will get another recharge. So this is one of those things that if you just consistently work at and you just open up the app every day, you can climb the leaderboard. And if this project launches and it's a high market cap, we could do very well. So that's what I'm most excited about. It's about getting in early. So we'll do a little bit more at the end here, but definitely use the link tree. I've got all those tools for you. Comment down below as well. I want to know specifically how many tokens have you guys accumulated over the past couple months and years? Did you get in early? Okay, so check out the other videos. I've got a bunch of tutorials step by step on how you guys can participate even further, okay? So Data Keeper, definitely a great option. Big partnerships there as well. So just to give you an example, let's go here, how to access. So we did this storage client reward. So of course there are other partnerships. So you're gonna get tokens, and also in the future, you can get more crypto tokens in the future, depending on different partnerships. So just do the tasks. You know, it's pretty fantastic. And again, use your referral link, right? Share like I am now. Just let people know about the project, right? It's not financial advice. You guys do what you want, but there are so many projects that people have gotten in with no money. They download an app and they make $10, $15, $20,000 or more. It's possible. I've seen it with the Jupe aggregator, right? When the Jupiter DEX came out, you never know, right? So just participate in crypto and you have the potential to get pretty significant rewards. Okay, so if we go here, here's some of the roadmap. Okay, so we kind of went through some of this. And then beta is live. So this is really cool too. So DeNet storage beta is live. This was May 4th. We're May 11th. This was only a week ago. We're moving from early access to real usage on the way to a product for millions. Today, a select group of users start using DeNet mobile storage the way it was built for. Okay. So we have that. What else do we have? DeNet distributors. So this is recent. We just went over this. So DeNet distributors is live. Okay. So lesson 1 of the distributor course is live for watchers at stage 50, which I'm at. Most of you are as well. As recognition of your contribution and commitment to the ecosystem, the distributor role is how you build a long-term income stream inside DeNet. Grow your own data keeper network, connect businesses to decentralized storage and earn infrastructure, blah, blah, blah. So the main thing here is decentralized storage with this project. So instead of Google owning your data and uploading that way, you can do this all in a decentralized fashion where files are split amongst different data keepers, etc., right? So that's really it. I just want to share that with you guys. This is a project. Let me know what you think. Continue to post. So even if we go back, we'll do one more here. If I refresh, I'm at 1.77. I'm earning every couple minutes. So I need to do my part and earn even more as well. But you can see what we're doing on the app live. So usually under the tasks as well, you'll see 1 out of 5, 1 out of 10, and you guys can charge your batteries even more. Make sure to do your watchers everywhere post. You can earn significant rewards that way. So basically you take a screenshot, then you make a post. I do it all the time on the channel here. So maybe we'll wait for one more. So if you guys go to Twitter, you could see some of my posts. So this was May 2nd. I think I did one even more recent. But there you go. Road to 2 billion at DeNet Pro. And make sure there's basically hashtag watchers everywhere. So all you're going to do is take a screenshot, post that, boom. So that's it. Let me know, what stage are you guys at? Are you excited about this project? If you haven't heard about it, download the Watcher app and get going. So earn those rewards. We're doing quite a bit right now. So with that being said, guys, the moose is loose. Cheers.